resolution on the Pimax headset is insane. It's very clear, there's no grain or anything at all.
Really high quality, good resolution.
The colors are really sharp. I love the OLED and the clarity it gets.
A lot brighter and smoother, if that makes sense.
It makes it feel like I'm actually in the car.
It feels like you're racing a real car.
It's pretty great immersion experience.
On the grass, if I'm in the grass, I'm on the grass. If I hit something, you know, it reacts.
It's comfortable.
It's really lightweight. It's freaking perfect.
Like this is phenomenal. Yeah, this is awesome. I can get lost in this.
And I've had nothing but fantastic luck with my Pimax headsets. Outstanding product, outstanding service. I've been nothing but happy, and I'm really looking forward to getting in the next one.